Today we have an awesome surprise. I received a care package, a mystery box from Katherine Young at Katherine Young Creative. I will link her YouTube and her Poshmark and probably her website down below. We became friends because of Red Bird Vintage. She's amazing. She's very creative and very talented, and if you're really into awesomeness, go watch her Christmas or Thriftmas videos because she makes this wreath that is like, oh. But she sent me this, so we're gonna open it together and see what's up, what's in it. I'm very excited about it. My cat is impatiently waiting in the wings. I am dropping scissors today. She's impatiently waiting because she's like, it's a box! A box, a box, a box, a box. Alright. And I am clumsy today, but that's because I took like some sinus medicine last night and it's just got my brain like... Okay. I hope this box brings you joy. It did, Catherine. The minute it hit my doorstep, I didn't even have to open it, and I was like, oh, it's such a cute Christmas card. That's cute. I love that. That's actually really cute. I don't know where you found these, but I love this. Okay, I'm not going to read that out loud because that was a personal message for me. And in case you don't know, I say bubble wrap too. I am so weird about saving stuff. But look how neat she packaged everything. I don't have this skill. I can't package. Okay, so this, she did this video where she found handkerchiefs and in original packaging and everything. And I have decided that I am actually going to start carrying handkerchiefs in my purse. And I told her, I was like, I'm in love with this and I want one. And she sent me, like, this is 2 full-size handkerchiefs in the original packaging by Fruit of the Loom, which I just now realized is Fruit of the Loom and not Fruit of the Loom. I don't know, we say it so fast in the South, I was like, I didn't even know there was a middle word in that. So that's awesome. I might even like, I'm trying to learn how to do hand embroidery or needlework, and I might put my initials on that. Okay. Next thing, oh, I think these are handkerchiefs too. Oh, yay. Okay, so original packaging, this was meant as a gift. Look at this little blue buddy right here. I love the blue one. Out of the video she did, the blue one was my favorite. I didn't tell her that, but it was, so I've got my favorite one. And I kind of feel bad for using them because they're in the original packaging. But I will save the original packaging and I will use it because I'd feel just as bad having it sit on a shelf and not use it, so. She knows me so well. Oh, I love this. It's a scarf. Heather needs to learn how to do scarf stuff. Oh, I love this. And I'm actually not even going to put this on a pocketbook. I am actually going to use this. I might even do a headband thing. Ooh. But I love this because I love the plaid print and the brown and the blue. Okay. Next thing is, I don't know. Gift tags? Oh, they're gift tags. Oh, you sweet, magnificent creature, you. She made those. Look at that. Oh my God. That's so cute. And these are actually like, it's weird because these are the type of tags that I put on my presents to give to people. I wish I had one in front of me. I normally make my own as well. I don't do that good of a job. She did a fantastic job, to the point where I'm also like, I kind of don't want to use them. I kind of want to frame them and put them up because I love these. These are great. Look how cool that is. And they're heavy. They're like really well made. Ah. Okay. She has become the housecoat goddess. I don't even know how else to say, but just the housecoat goddess. And she's bringing us all in the loop. She did pick out one that I like. This is so freaking soft. Oh my god. I just want to cuddle with it. And she can make it look like a super awesome like dress outfit. I don't have that skill, but I'll be honest, I'll probably put this to use as an actual housecoat because it's so soft. Oh, it's so soft. And it zips all the way down. Oh my god. Ooh, I like that. So I like the detail on the collar too, and it's got like the pleats in the back. And me and her, I think, are pretty close to the same size. I think we are. So I know the size is gonna fit me. I'm not even worried about it because she's got this. She's that good. Ooh, Catherine, you saucy minx. I love the whole box. I'm like stupefied. I'm so excited. I'm stupefied right now. My cat is also going to love this because for some odd reason she's going through a phase of wanting to be held and then snoring on top of me. It's not great. It's cute the first 5 minutes. Then it's not great. So she will also enjoy this because anything that makes me more comfortable, I guess. So I'm definitely going to use all of these things. Like I said, this one's I'm kind of tempted to put these in a frame and actually like print off pictures and put them on here and then put this in a frame. I'm actually really tempted to do that because I like them that much, and I think it would just put them to use, be preserved. I don't know. I like them so much. I'm thinking of ways to do it without giving them to other people. And of course, I love the handkerchiefs. That's just amazing. But guys, I'll link all her information down below. Make sure you check her out. She had this Letterman sweater on her Poshmark, and if it would have fit me, I would have had that junk day one. It fit me. But I loved it. I loved it so much. It was like the cutest thing ever. But she has like a bunch of really cute stuff in her Poshmark and a variety of sizes, and then she also has some housewares and stuff like that. So just go and take a look at that. She wrote a book. I actually read that book. It's discussing politics on the internet, I think. How to discuss politics on the internet. I'll link it down below. I bought it off Amazon, and it's actually, like, I don't mean to say like I was surprised, but it's actually like a really good book, to the point that I'm donating it to my local library, and I think I'm going to get another copy and give it to a friend because it's very good reference material as well for like social workers and things like that. And I had to read a lot of social work books. So if I say it's a good reference book, guys, it's a good reference book because I've read a lot of books. But I'll link all that down below. Check it out. She's so awesome. And I'm like stupid excited right now because I don't know how to do. But I hope everybody has a good day, a good holiday, and whatever else, because I'm so confused because I'm so happy. And everybody have a good day.